Social Studies, Class 5th, Unit 1, Studying the Earth. Under this Unit 1, our next lesson is Lesson number 2, Movements of the Earth. Let me tell you what are the topics we are going to study in this lesson. Rotation and revolution of the Earth. So children, let me question you, what is an Earth? Earth is the third planet from the Sun. It is made up of rocks and metals. As the Earth is covered with 71% of water, it is called the blue planet. Earth is unique, that is, as far as we know, no other planet like Earth have an atmosphere containing free oxygen that can sustain or support life. Thus, these reasons makes our Earth special, unique and only one of its kind where life exists. Children, do you know the Earth moves but we can't feel it because we too moves along with it. Let us understand it with simple example. One day Nikki was strolling. Strolling means walking through along the beach with her grandfather, as you can see the picture. While walking, Nikki was thinking what her social studies teacher had taught her about Earth in her previous class. Nikki recollected that the Earth is constantly spinning like a top and it is moving at a great speed around the sun. Now Nikki wondered. Wondered means desired to know something. How is this possible? She turned around and asked her grandfather that, how do we know that the earth is actually moving? Nikki's grandfather told that we cannot feel the earth spin. Spin means to move swiftly because the earth is moving at a steady rate. Steady rate means fixed or firm in position. Nikki's grandfather also told that we can feel the earth's movement if its speed suddenly increases. Now Nikki's grandfather gave an example to make her understand more clearly. He told that, look at the sun. Each day it appears to move across the sky from the east to the west. This is because the earth is spinning all the time.